Hey everybody, I'm at Ocean Beach in the Bluff near Invercargill, and it's one of the most underused freedom camping spots in the country. There is the arrow pointing south. It's a bit of iconic. If you ever want a freedom camp, and this area does not really, in Southland doesn't really bother about are you self-contained or not. Their toilets in Bluff, I don't know if they close them at 7 o'clock. There's toilets at Stirling Point. There's the brown shed there is used for films, apparently. So here's a freedom camping spot. A bus has just turned up with X and grey vans just turned up. We've just been diving and got some power, got some kina, got a squid. Had an annoying time. I locked myself. We're going to convert this little bongo sometime into a freedom camper, just for us. There's Stewart Island out there, and there's Ocean View Beach. Anyway, press like, press subscribe. I'll show you all the neat places you can park around. And I met a lady doing the garden here, and she said since campers have been coming here, there's less rubbish, and the druggies don't come at this at night. See the circle? She said they come driving their cars around here. There used to be burnt out cars every now and again here, all crazy stuff. But since there's freedom campers, it doesn't happen so much. Anyway, peace. Subscribe, like, and say hello to a friend. Oh, pick up some rubbish when you go around. Masks. Ugh. Something worse than masks. Oh, I'll show you the there's a kina, and then there is octopus and power. And some rubbish. Always pick up some rubbish.